Hey, what's up, everybody? Geode here. Yeah, I'm really devastated right now. Um, Everything that I recorded last night had no audio. Um, I'm working with my actual DSLR camera so I can start trying to get better videos, edit it a little bit easier. Transfer. The biggest thing was the transferring of the video was off my iPhone was absolutely stupid ridiculous. Um, but I don't really use this as video that much, so I wasn't familiar with the settings in the background and or on the display screen, and did not realize that I had no audio. Um, so everything that I recorded last night was just video. All of my reaction is not there. The excitement in my voice of when I actually got it to open, what I was talking about. I might do a voiceover on some of the stuff. I'm not exactly sure, but I still have the video. I just don't have any audio. So we'll get this figured out. So in the meantime, I promised everybody I would show what was inside the big one here, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm also going to go ahead and show what I've been cleaning here lately, show what I'm doing for my cleaning, and hopefully I will open up some more geodes tonight and actually have audio so I can talk to you guys. But yeah, I'm absolutely devastated that I did not get the big one on camera like I wanted. So let's see what we got. Alrighty, so here is just one that I've been soaking overnight. This one I believe I had soaking in the acid for about 12 hours, and I just wanted to see what it would do. It definitely took a lot of the yellow that was on this rock out. What I absolutely love is how it lightened up the top here. How it actually lightened up the rock. Is just really interesting, and I love that color. It's just very pretty. So kind of has like this little natural, sits too far downward like this, so I'll try to figure out, maybe I'll cut some of the bottom off so that way it will sit up just a little bit more. Here's another one. This one also, I did a acid and iron out on it. It really brought out the whites in this one. This one was not a gray one. I think I have like some before and afters. It just really brightened up the whites. This one is my gray one. Let's see if I can get it in focus here. My gray and red veined one. I really love this one. This one turned out to be so neat. This one stayed even after a acid wash and a iron out soak. It stayed this color. Excuse me, got a car driving by right now. It stayed this beautiful yellow color. It's really such popping, and I love the banding on this right here. Let's see if I can get that in focus a little better. Let's see if I can just zoom in on it. There we go. Look at that banding right there. It is so neat. And then these are just a couple little more bubbles that were more on the solid side than the bubble side. Then you have this one here. Let's see if we can get a look on the inside there. So this one again has that another bubble one with that red discoloration. And then another gray one here. Pretty much most of these, oh sorry, not a car drove. Pretty much most of these were soaked in acid for about 10 minutes, then put in the base, then it was then put in the iron out overnight. Just got them out to do this video. Rinsed them off a little bit so we can try to get a better look at them. Yeah, so you can't even really get inside there to show you how neat the inside of that is. Alright, trash truck is gone. Got another car coming by. Sorry, I'm filming outside, so, but I moved this one around so we can try to see if we can get a look at this one just a little bit better. Look at the coloring and the detail. I really don't know how well this is going to show up when I do the video, because it does not do it justice of what I'm showing right now. So, but alright. But oh, now a train. Yay! This is just my luck with trying to show what was inside this big one. First no audio, then a trash truck comes by, and now a train. So, but these right here, let me see if I can brighten this up a little bit. Probably not, but these is what was inside the big one. I just love the coloring in this. These are just absolutely beautiful. Try to get a close-up of this. But just look at this rust color. Let's look at the outside. Just look at oh, love it. Love the way that these two just look. And these are just, they're sitting up like this by themselves. It's just this, they were meant to display like this. And it broke open so easily. I thought I was going to be like having to do a time lapse, of course with audio. I thought I was going to have to be like, I thought I was going to be at it for a long while. But this thing broke open within minutes. And it split open so beautifully. And I'm so mad I did not get the audio of this. But here show you some more of what I got going on here. These are what is left to still open up. Some of those few little rattlers over there, some medium-sized one. What I have going on over here is in the Lowe's bucket is my muriatic acid. I currently have 2 pieces in there. You probably can't see them very well. There they are. Got two pieces in there soaking. Probably let them soak for about 12 hours. In this bucket here is my base bucket, so I want that as closest to my acid as possible, so that way I can get immediate dip into them. This over here is then after it goes and soaks in the base for a little bit, then I put it into the iron out solution over here. I'm not actually using iron out, I'm using a liquid version of a iron solvent that would you go into like a paint spray, or not a paint sprayer, but like a pump spray that you would spray it on your concrete, let it soak, and then spray it off with a water hose. And so far that has been doing better than the actual bottle of iron out over there. So next time I go to Lowe's, I will get a picture of the stuff that I'm using. And then over here, this is all of my opens. There we go. Now we're nice and focused. This is all what's been open. They've been soaked, they've been cleaned. I need to start sorting through these and figuring out what I want to keep, and then figure out what I'm going to do with the rest. So, oops, did not mean to move forward, but we'll zoom in on that one because that one's got a nice pretty sparkle to it. That's one of the ones I'm going to be polishing because we cracked it open and then we cut it open. And I think the other half of that one is in the acidless solution over there. So again, I apologize because I was so excited. I was building it up, and then, well, I'm a guy, so, you know, yeah. But hopefully we can salvage something from this other video. Maybe, like I said, I'll do a voiceover. Like I said, I learned a lot from it, but we'll see what it does. Right now, I'm still learning my camera. I'm still not sure which camera I want to use. Eventually I'm going to get a GoPro, so I'll have that on my chest when I'm actually doing my outdoor adventures, instead of having to lug this big thing around. I still may lug this big thing around just so I can do some close-ups and some other footage stuff, some face footage like this. Just got to figure out a way to reduce some of the weight. But I'm going to get this edited for you guys. I'm going to get this up. Hope you enjoyed seeing what was opened. Again, I'm sorry that I wasn't able to get the cracking in there. Maybe I'll splice some of the opening into this video and just play some music or something as I'm opening them up, and then actually just show when I actually get this thing, big one, open to some music or something. So I'll figure it out. Otherwise, have fun hunting, be safe hunting, make sure you're doing it in the correct areas. No state parks, read your rules for your state. A lot of state parks do not like you picking up the geodes or any rocks. So make sure that you get permission if you're on private land. So be safe, have fun, and I'll see you in the next video.